Well, I guess I'm another year older today. Oh, but I still feel like a young pup yet, because I drive old girls like this, and they just keep me rejuvenated. I don't know how cold it is, but I'm sure it's healthy to start shit like this with 1540 oil in it. Yeah, the shifter's moving. Okay, we're good then. Over a few pumps. Oh, come on, key switch. There we go. Oh, cranking slow. Come on, come on. Come on, you love daddy. Oh, there it is. Oh, the syrup slowly rolling. Good girl. Oh, it tried to move in neutral. That's never good. Gear oil is just a little thick. And the damn thing's idling. Just loyal. Been watching too many zip ties and bias plies. We got a manual Bruce Jenner, as he puts it. Just mint. Fucking love that guy.